Welcome, embedded engineers. This video is part of our tutorial series on developing web dashboards for embedded devices. In this episode, we'll show you how to enable user authentication for your web device dashboard or REST API. Each episode features a different development board to demonstrate that Mongoose works across a variety of hardware platforms. Today we are using the STM32 Nucleo-F746 development board. It features a Cortex-M7 core running at 216 MHz with 320K of RAM and 1 MB of flash. Plug the board into your workstation, connect it to Ethernet, and visit mongoose.ws. Start a new design from scratch. If you don't see the startup dialog, click the New button. Select the target directory where the project will be generated. Then choose Target Architecture Nucleo-F746, Toolchain ID plain GCC plus make, and RTOS none, keep it bare metal. Click Next, select Blank Dashboard, then click Next again, and finally Finish. Click Generate Code. The wizard now creates a project with a blank dashboard in the selected directory. Navigate to the target directory and run make to build the project. Then run make flash to flash the firmware. Open a serial console to view logs. Once the device boots, find its IP address and open it in your browser. You'll see the dashboard we just designed served directly from the STM32 device. Notice no login screen yet, so authentication isn't enabled. Now let's fix that. Click Settings and change the integration mode to Existing Project. This ensures future synchronizations won't override changes we make. Next, enable user login under Settings, then click Generate to update the project. Rebuild and reflash. Refresh the browser and login screen appears. Authentication is now enabled. Open Mongoose glue.c and look at the glue authenticate function. This is the default authentication handler, which we can override. It takes two parameters, username and password, and returns an integer. 0 means authentication failure. Any positive number means success. Higher values indicate higher privilege. By default, there are two levels, level 3, an ordinary user, and level 7, an administrator. Let's customize this. Copy the function to main.c and rename it to myAuthenticator. Introduce a new user called boss with password boss and assign them level 5. Call Mongoose setAuth handler after Mongoose init to tell Mongoose to use our custom function. Next, add a simple panel to the dashboard with a single integer attribute, settings.level, and use a slider to control it. Go to the API editor and add a settings endpoint with the level attribute. Notice the read level and write level settings. Set read level to 3, which means that any logged in user can read the endpoint. Set write level to 5, so only the boss and admin can modify it, not ordinary users. Create the login endpoint of type local to handle the login page input. Add two strings attributes to it, username and password. Click Generate to update the code. Rebuild and reflash the project. Now log in as user. You'll see the panel, but the controls are disabled. You can see the value but not change it. Log out, then log in as boss. Now you can change the level value. Log in as an admin. You can also view and modify the settings. This also works with the REST API. Use curl to access the settings endpoint. Without logging in, you'll see Not Authorized. Authenticate as user. You can now fetch data. Try writing to the endpoint. You'll see Not Authorized. Authenticate as boss or admin. You can now read and write values as expected. Congratulations! You've learned how to enable authentication and implement multiple access levels for your web interface. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.